In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace name in Clickup. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, having your workspace accurately reflect your current project or team name can make a big difference in how organized you feel. So let's dive right into it and simplify this process for you. First things first, head over to Clickup's website. It's your go-to hub for all things task management and organization. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. There's a login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be on your way. For those of you who prefer a quick and easy login process, you might want to consider using your Google account. Click the option that says Sign in with Google. This is especially handy because it saves you the trouble of remembering another password. Once you click, select the Google account you want to use, and you're in. Now that you're logged into ClickUp, let's move on to the next steps. Look towards the top left part of your screen and you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This is where you can adjust things like your personal preferences, notifications, and of course your workspace details. Within Settings, you'll need to navigate to the General Team Settings. It's here that you can change the name of your workspace. Simply type in the new name that reflects your current project or team. It's a good idea to think carefully about this name, as it will be visible to anyone you work with. A clear and concise name can really help keep your processes organized. Once you've decided on the perfect new name, don't forget to save your changes. There's nothing more frustrating than making all those adjustments, only to lose them by forgetting to click save. So give that save button a solid click to ensure your new workspace name is set. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the name of your workspace in ClickUp. This straightforward task can help keep your organizational systems neat and tailored to your team's evolving needs. Just remember, keeping your workspace names relevant and up to date can save you and your team a lot of hassles down the road. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources on ClickUp's support page or watch some of our other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your projects on ClickUp.